Okay, it's a snowy day outside, so we're going to use today to put together some boxes. We got at the North American Honeybee Expo. We got 15 deeps and 5 mediums to put together here. So we're gonna get set up over here. We're using the DeWalt stapler right there with 1 1/4 staples, and then also some Titebond. I usually use Titebond 3, but they were out last time, so we got some Titebond 2 glue that will run down the seam of the box and just use that for extra strength there. So we'll make sure that we got the handles facing the right way first. Get the handle right there. You got your top groove for your frames to set into. Square here, make sure everything is square. Glue. I'm going to bead the glue down here along the edge. Definitely important to make sure that your handle's facing the right way. Line it up, make sure everything's square. I usually put 4 staples on each side just to make sure there's enough strength there to hold it. These boxes can get pretty heavy once you get them full of honey and stuff. Do the same thing for the other side. Square. Kind of cold, so this glue doesn't want to cooperate a little bit. Take the handle. There we have it. There's one down. 14 more to go. We'll set that aside and we'll get those painted later. We've already been busy so far over here painting bottom boards. Make sure that they're protected from the weather. Painted 10 bottom boards earlier. Put some screens on some inner covers. And Rachel's working on her next masterpiece right there. So we'll get some pictures of that when that's done as well. Continue on. that's it. We've got our two boxes put together. You can see the difference between the two. This is the deep box. This is what the bees will use to raise their brood in and store any honey for themselves over the year. We usually run 2 deep boxes on the hive. And this is the medium box. This is what we use as a honey super. Any honey that they put in here is what we take from them and process it, spin it out of the frames and stuff like that. This is the deep frame that goes inside the deep box. It's partially drawn out. It's one we had in the freezer from last year. We'll go ahead and give it to them this year and they'll finish drawing that out with wax. And then this is a medium honey frame. You can see we've decapped it and spun the honey out, and they will fix that wax up and get it all looking nice and pretty again before they fill it, and it'll be ready to go. Be sure to like and subscribe and follow us for future videos, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you.